Hey, decor enthusiasts, welcome back to Heartland Home Design, where we explore the wonders of home design. And today we are diving into world of breathtaking wallpaper designs inspired by nature, architecture, and the beauty of flowers. If you are excited as I am about transforming space with these incredible designs, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Let's begin with the nature inspired wallpaper. These designs are like bringing the outdoor inside, and they are perfect for creating a serene and refreshing atmosphere. Consider using them in places like your living room or bedroom to evoke a sense of tranquility. Whether it's the calming greens of a forest or the serene blues of a mountain lake, nature inspired wallpapers can turn any room into a peaceful sanctuary. Next up, let's explore wallpapers inspired by iconic buildings and architecture. Imagine having the Eiffel Tower, Taj Mahal, or your favorite city skyline as the backdrop to your space. These wallpapers can add a touch of sophistication and worldly charm. Consider using architectural wallpapers in your home, office, or study to create an environment that sparks creativity and intellectual curiosity. Now, let's immerse ourselves in the beauty of floral wallpapers. Whether you love vibrant blossoms or subtle, elegant blooms, floral designs can add a touch of freshness to any room. Floral wallpapers work wonders in bedroom, dining areas, or even bathrooms. They bring the beauty of blooming garden right into your living space. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to celebrate the sheer beauty that wallpapers bring to our living space. Wallpaper is not just a decorative element, it's the canvas that allow us to express our personalities and surround ourselves with the things we love. The intricate details of nature inspired scenes transport us to serene landscapes, architectural wonders, instill a sense of grandeur and sophistication. And floral pattern infuse our room with timeless elegance. The beauty of wallpaper lies not just in its visual appeal, but in ability to transform a simple room into a curated masterpiece. So, whether you are drawn to the calm embrace of nature, the structural marvels of architecture, or uh, the delicate charms of flowers. Embrace the beauty of wallpaper and let your living space tell a story uniquely yours. And if you are as captivated by the world of wallpapers as I am, give this video a thumbs up and share your favorite wallpapers style in the comments below. And of course, if you have not subscribed yet, join our community for more home decor inspiration. From the tranquility of nature inspired scenes to the sophistication of architectural wonders and the timeless elegance of floral patterns, these wallpapers designs offer a myriad of possibilities for transforming your space. Beyond its visual allure, wallpaper has a magical ability to turn the ordinary into the extraordinary, making every room a chapter in the story of your home. It's not just about adding color or patterns, it's about creating memories. Picture the laughter shared in a living room at dawn with nature inspired scenes. The inspiration is sparked in a study surrounded by architectural marvels, or the warmth felt in a bedroom, embraced by the timeless elegance of floral patterns. Each wallpaper choice contribute to the narrative of our lives by making our living space not just place we inhabit, but canvases that capture the essence of who we are. So, as you explore the world of wallpaper, remember that you are not just decorating walls, you are crafting a backdrop for the moments that become cherished memories. If you have ever experienced the transformation power of wallpaper in your home, share your stories in the comments below. I love hearing about your decor adventures. And if you have not already subscribed to Heartland Home Design for more home decor journeys, until your next design, or we can say our design exploration, urging you to turn every room into a story worth telling. Happy decorating.